Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to change the watch faces on your watch, so let's do it. So to do that it is very easy, just push it long on the screen of your watch and now move it to the right, and here are the watch faces. And to select one, just press on the watch face, and this is what I selected. And if you want to customize this, press customize, and now move your finger here on the edge of your watch, and now press OK, and let's do it again. Just press customize, swipe to the right, and move again your finger here, and now press OK, and this is my new watch face. So I hope you like it, and also I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.